Here we are in Laughlin, Nevada, getting ready to test our new Ford motor at the SNORE Rage at the river. We've been working with Ford throughout the year running the Coyote motor, and Best in the Desert approved the new Ford motor package, which we're thrilled to be running out here in Laughlin. First 45 miles on it, that motor proved to be a beast and create a lot of excitement out there on the track. Ford did not let us down. They are built one hell of a motor. The folks watching out there on TV got a good show. Everybody's looking forward to seeing what that truck can do. Just finished day number 1. We raced that Spec Trophy Truck, the Ford Beast. And here we are. We had an unbelievable day. Just showing everybody what Ford power can do. Just what an incredible day, man. I just got out of the car. The wind's a little heavy, but we still managed to have a great time out there. So stay tuned for day 2.
Chamberlain, filling in for Jim Riley today on day 2. Jim handed me off the lead in the trophy truck unlimited truck class. Basically, we ran a flawless day today. Didn't get out of the truck once. Our Ford motor ran flawlessly, plenty of power all day long. Great day for us.